Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. Today in this video we are going to discuss class 6 civics chapter 5 Panchayati Raj. Before going further, I want to ask you whether you are enjoying our daily quizzes or not. If not, subscribe the channel and become the member of family and enjoy it daily. First question is, dash is also called Sarpanch. Answer is Panchayat President. Next question is, members of Panchayat are called dash. Answer is Panch. Next question is, ward panches and sarpanch form the dash. Answer is Gram Panchayat. Next question is, Panchayati Raj system at block level is called dash. Answer is Panchayat Samiti. Next question is, Jila Parishad is dash the Panchayat Samiti. Answer is above. Jila Parishad is above Panchayat Samiti. That is all for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe the channel. We will get back to you soon in our next video. Till then, bye bye. Have a great day.